Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. If you're watching this video, it's because you're either watching this through the playlist that I have here, or you picked this video up somewhere else. If that's the case, you're not really going to understand anything unless you go back to the beginning of the playlist that I'll link here in this video. But what I want you to do is go to my YouTube channel if you're not there already. Make sure that you check out the playlist on how to turn this $25 side hustle into a full-time income. Now, this is very important because when I got started with myEcon, I originally got started very skeptical that this was going to work. I was very skeptical that I even wanted to put the money into it to get started. I started at the very top level, which was, we went over in the second video exactly what the levels are and what they entail. I started at the elite business membership level, and I was so skeptical that this was going to work, but I actually started making money with it. So I'm very happy with it. You can completely be anonymous when you do this. So you don't have to tell your family and friends. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do anything like that. Nobody even has to know that you're doing it. I started out without anybody knowing that I was doing it. So I definitely know that that works. But what I want to do in this video, I want to go over with you exactly how to sign up and what's exactly going to happen whenever you do sign up. So that's what this video is going to be about. Again, if you haven't watched this playlist from the beginning, please go back to that first video and start at the beginning. Otherwise, you're not going to understand a lot of what I go over here. Also, if you stick around to the end of this video, I promise you're going to get value from it, because I'm going to go over with you every single dime that you're going to have to spend with this side hustle. Okay, it may get a little boring, but I'm going to try to explain to you. Make sure that you pay attention, because you're going to want to know exactly what you're paying for. You're going to want to know what to get signed up for, because I did that whole damn course thing where you buy that $600 course and they teach you how to do digital marketing online. I spent $600 for that course. Then when I got signed up, they wanted me to pay $300 more to get on an exclusive email list. Okay, then I paid that, and then they wanted me to pay another $200 to get on a private one-on-one coaching program with this dude. And they didn't show me shit. I mean, I ended up paying $1,100. I didn't get anything from it. This side hustle right here costs you 25 bucks to get started, and that's it. And like I said, there's another charge that you do have to consider. But I want you to pay attention to this video and pay attention at the end of this video. So I'll go over that charge with you, what everybody refers to as the hidden charge with myEcon. It's not really a hidden charge, but I'll go over that at the end of this video. So what I want you to do is I want you to pay attention here on exactly what you're going to do when you get signed up. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up a new browser window. I opened up a private window just because I'm cookied in if I go in the other way. So you just open up a new browser window. It doesn't have to be in private, but you type in grabthislink.com, okay? And it's going to take you right here to my page. So when you put your name, phone, and email in here, you're not signing up for anything, and all you're doing is signing up so I have your contact info. This is going to message me and let me know that you've went to my site, and I'll show you this right here on my app, how it works, how it responds. Right, so you put in your name, what's my phone number, and you put in your phone number, right? And I'm going to show you right here on my iPhone. I'm going to show you exactly what my app is going to do. All right, see how I just got a notification there? It just told me that somebody went to my link, and I don't know if you could hear that because I have my earbuds hooked up, but it was a little cha-ching sound. So whenever somebody goes to your link and puts in their info, you get a little cha-ching sound. And when that cha-ching sound goes off like 4 or 5 times in a row some days, it's pretty funny. But this is the video. Once you go to grabthislink.com, you put in your info, you're going to go to this video. It's going to take you to this page right here, right? You can watch this video if you want. This is the second video in my playlist. So if you've already watched it, you don't need to do that. I should have spots open here depending on when it is. But what you're going to do is you can either go down to the bottom here. Yes, want to claim a remaining spot. You hit that button. I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy. You're going to go just like signing up for anything else, right? You're going to pick your level. We went over these levels and what it entails in that second video, or that video that was just on the screen before this. You could watch that video and it goes over these benefits as well. If you want in my personal rotator, all right, you're going to need to join at the elite business membership level. That's the $99.95 for the first time. That's a one-time charge of $99.95. After this, every 30 days, it's $59.95. Okay, so once you get one sale, though, think about it. You get one sale, you get paid a $70 commission, and we pay every week. So if you get one sale, usually I'd say 90% of the time, people are making money with this system before the 30 days is up. That way they're already in profit. When that 30 days comes up, that $60 charge has already been paid for with the first sale that they made, right? So you make one sale, you're already in profit, because when that 30 days comes due, all you have to do is make that $60 payment. Everything over that is 100% profit. And again, like I said, at the end of this video, I'm going to go over every single charge, every single damn charge, every single cent that you're going to get into this system is going to be at the end of this video. So keep watching. But if you want my personal rotator, you need to be at this level, okay? Every level that you join at is going to get these items right here. Every level, okay? The only thing that's going to be different is you're going to get these plus my personal rotator spots if you join at this top level. The next level, if you go down, because you don't have if you don't have the $100, I'm telling you guys, don't let that stop you. You can upgrade your membership later, okay? I promise you, you can upgrade your membership later. It's not a big deal. It's so easy to do. But if you join at the $45 level, the financial success membership, if you join here, you're going to get 5 spots in the team rotator, okay? That's not my personal rotator. There are 2 different rotators, the team rotator and my personal rotator. You'll get my personal rotator plus 10 spots in the team rotator if you're at the top level. If you're at this second level, the $45 initial payment level, you're going to get 5 spots in the team rotator. That doesn't include any spots in my personal rotator, so you know. You also don't get the access to the travel club membership or ID Defender, okay? Everything else that's included, you still get access to. And then 30 days later, this level is $41 a month. If you want a $20 off coupon because you don't have the $45 and all you want to do is the $25, that is perfectly fine, guys. You're going to get the exact same thing here. The only difference is instead of 5 spots in the team sales rotator, you're only going to get 1 spot in the team rotator. And you're also not going to get into my personal rotator, but you still get access to everything else. So you can join at this level and then upgrade later if that's what you want to do. I highly recommend, if you only have $25, still get started. Don't let it stop you. Get started with this level. Now, this is all if you're inside the United States. If you are outside the United States, our global membership is the only membership you're going to be able to pick, okay? You're going to have to pick the $59.95 membership if you're outside the United States. You get access to all of this stuff. Now, you're going to be able to market everything, and you're going to have access to the full compensation plan if you're outside the United States. You can get paid to infinity in the compensation plan, okay? That means unlimited levels, unlimited earning potential. What you're going to want to do is, once you pick your level, you click here to enroll, click here to enroll, click here to enroll, right? You can click anywhere. You can click, if you want to do the global level, you pick there. If you want to do, you know, the top level, you pick here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this, click to enroll, $99.95, right? It's going to take you to the next page. You're going to pick your country. If you're outside the United States, obviously you pick whatever country you live in. If you're inside the United States, you're going to pick the country, right? I mean, I shouldn't have to go over that, but, you know, sometimes everybody likes to see, some people like to see every single step. So there you go. You pick your country. It's going to take you to this page. And it's just like enrolling in anything else, right? I mean, you're not giving me your personal info. I want you to understand that. You're not giving me your personal info. The only thing I have access to is your name, your phone, and your email. That's it. That's all I have access to. I don't have access to anything else. Okay. myEcon is the company that you are signing up through. They are a well-known company in to the government, to the watchdog agencies for legitimate companies that collect people's information, that collect people's payments. They are a legitimate company. So you are giving them your information. I don't have access to any of this, okay? So you're going to fill out your name, your address, your phone number, and then you're going to put your initials there. Then down here, you're going to put your username. Now, this is important. Your user ID is important. It becomes part of your link. You see up here how this Corey2025.myecon.net, that is my username. That's what I put right here when I created this account for myself, okay? I put Corey2025 right here. So you're going to want to put, you can put like Team Janet or Team Billy Bob or you know, whatever you want to put there. Just make sure that you realize that's going to be part of your link. Now, this isn't the link that you're going to market, hopefully, but you're going to want to realize that. And then you choose your password and you hit continue. Again, I don't have access to any of this information, okay? And once you go to the next page, it's going to take you to myEcon's secure server to actually enter in your payment info so you can pay your initial payment and get access to everything that you're going to get access to. So remember, you're not paying me directly. You're paying myEcon. Okay, then myEcon pays us the commission. And then once you get signed up, you're going to start looking for an email from me, okay? And it's going to tell you exactly what your next steps are. I'm going to get you plugged into the Facebook group, right? So you can join the Facebook group whenever you go through the training site. But I'm going to tell you exactly how to get to this page, okay? I'm going to give you access to this page so you can get logged in here, you can get signed up, and you can get started setting up your link, start promoting, sharing your link, and earning money, okay? That's what we do. You want to be set up and earning money, we want you to be sharing that link out there right away. And remember, if you are getting in my personal rotator, the steps at the end of that second video are going to tell you that exactly what you need to follow, okay? You need to follow those steps, because if with there being a team rotator, you may join somebody else. Your membership may get plugged in through somebody else, which means I won't know about it, okay? So the only way I'm going to know to put you in my personal rotator is if you follow the steps at the end of that second video. All right, so go back to that second video, watch the end of it. It'll show you the exact steps. Okay, guys, this is going to be the only other thing other than your monthly charge and your initial charge. This is going to be the only thing you are going to be asked to pay for, okay? And this doesn't go to me. It doesn't go to myEcon. This goes to a separate GoDaddy.com if you want to set up a separate link. So through myEcon, we can't set up everybody's link, you know, individually. There's just no feasible way to do that. There's over 10,000 of us. So what you're going to get when you get signed up, you saw my Corey 2025, you know, question mark / colon, you know, whatever. That long hanky link is what you are going to get when you get signed up to myEcon. That is going to be very difficult for you to market, other than if you want to in your videos say, you know, leave me a comment if you're interested, and then you can personally send them, this is my link, go to this link. Then you'd have to send them that long hanky link. I highly suggest not doing that. I highly suggest you follow the training videos, go to GoDaddy.com. That is who we use to set up, that's who I used to set up grabthislink.com, okay? So when you type that, grabthislink.com in your address bar, you're going to my long hanky link. I am forwarding you to that long hanky link just by you going to grabthislink.com. We show you step by step, click by click, how to set that up. It does cost, depending on the website name that you choose. I picked grabthislink.com. If you choose Earn Success with Corey, or, you know, digital marketing with Corey.com, or whatever you want to choose, it's going to be a different charge depending on the website that you choose. And we go over all this click by click. We show you how to set it up and how to pick it and everything like that. But depending on what you pick is going to be how much it costs. All right. The minimum, I kept searching site names until I came across one that was the minimum amount. Okay. And it's $12 a year. So for the first year of whatever website you pick is $12. All right. So that's it. There are no other charges. Once you get signed up and you get started, you're never going to see, hey, join this for this amount of money, or, you know, watch this video for this amount of money, or join these live lists for this amount of money. That does not happen. Everything from that point forward is absolutely 100% included. I cannot stress that enough. I'm trying to tell you over and over again that there are no other charges. There is nothing else you can purchase through us. I can't possibly sell you anything else through this site. There is nothing else that myEcon sells you. You have access to their products. If you pick that elite business membership, you have unlimited access to every single one of myEcon's products, okay? There are no other charges. This is it. This is all there is. So I want to make sure that I press that to you and stress that to you. Please make sure that you understand, if you are signing up and you're waiting for another charge, it is not going to come. And when you're looking over things and you're going through the training videos, if it seems like you're being asked to pay something else, you are not, okay? Because there is a part in there that tells you what to market, and it's going to be telling you exactly the cost of what it is you are marketing, not what you are going to have to pay, okay? So your sign up charge and your monthly charge, and this hidden charge, this $12 hidden charge through GoDaddy to set this up if you want to, that's it. There are no other charges. So you can pay that $25 and then the monthly charge plus this hidden charge, and that's it. You can get out of here for $37. You can be set up marketing your link and earning money for $37 and never have to pay anything other than that monthly charge again. That's it. No more. Promise you that. So that I wanted to go over. Please, if you got value from this, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would really help me out. Hit that like button if you haven't, and get started, guys.